Welcome students in our mathematics class of class 9th. Topic is triangle and exercise 7.4. In this exercise, one of the criteria can be used, that is, in a triangle, suppose this is a triangle, this is so that in a right triangle, first of all we draw a right angle triangle, that is A, B, C. This angle is right angle. The hypotenuse is the longest side. Hypotenuse means जिस ट्रायंगल का वह एंगल जो सबसे बड़ा है, that is the largest angle, then the opposite side of this angle is greater. It means अगर किसी भी ट्रायंगल में तीनों एंगल का सम 180 होता है, सपोज दिस इज, लुक हियर, सिंस गिवन ट्रायंगल ए बी सी बी राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल, right angle at B, and now our to prove that is hypotenuse is the longest side. Hypotenuse, what is hypotenuse? That is AC. That is AC is longest side. So first of all, that is in this triangle, angle B is 90 degree. Solution: in right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, and sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So we put angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A plus 90 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This one. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 90. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. Now look in this figure. One angle is 90 degree and the sum of the other two angle is also 90 degree. So we have to say that is angle B. Therefore, since angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A plus C is equal to 90 degree, this implies that angle B इज ग्रेटर दैन एंगल ए. यानी कि किसी भी ट्रायंगल में अगर वन एंगल 90 डिग्री हो और बचा हुआ जो दोनों एंगल, उन दोनों का सम 90 डिग्री है, तो जो 90 डिग्री वाला एंगल है वो एंगल बी यानी दिस एंगल, वह हमेशा किसी एक एंगल से बड़ा होगा. इट मीन्स एंगल बी इज ग्रेटर दैन एंगल ए. अर्थात अगर एंगल बी 90 डिग्री है तो उसका अपोजिट साइड सबसे बड़ा हो, ये हमको प्रूव करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ये दिखाएंगे एंगल बी एंगल ए से बड़ा है, तो बिकॉज सम ऑफ टू एंगल इज 90 डिग्री एंड ओनली वन एंगल इज दिस एंगल बी 90 डिग्री. सो एंगल बी इज आल्सो ग्रेटर देन एंगल ए. दिस implies that opposite side of angle B, that is AC, is greater than opposite side of angle A, that is BC. यहाँ लिखेंगे क्या चीज़ कि साइड opposite to greater angles are also greater. Side opposite to greater angles are also greater. This criteria. This is one. Similarly, this angle B is also greater than angle C. This again angle B is also greater than angle C. This implies that AC, opposite side of angle B, is greater than opposite side of angle C, that is AB. And our criteria is this criteria. This criteria is also written by if side opposite to greater angle also greater. So from equation 1 and 2 we see that AC is also greater than BC and AC is also greater than AB. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, that is AC is the longest side. So we have also said that hypotenuse AC is the longest side. This is the proof of equation 1. Now we have to prove first question. Okay, and again on this basis, in this chapter, that is the question number 3 is same here. Now we have to solve again question number 3. In figure, angle B is less than angle A. Our question is angle B is less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D. This if अगर इसका फेस ऐसे है, this is greater than, we have to write this symbol, that is greater than, and if this is इसका ऐसे अगर फेस है, that is less than. Now look here, on this basis, on the question number 1, इसी बेस पे हम आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 को कैसे प्रूव करते हैं अभी बताएंगे. देखिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट गिवन एंगल B is less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D. So to show or to prove, that is AD is less than BC. Here we have to prove AC is the longest side, and now in this question we have to prove AD means this AD is less than BC. Solution is, now first of all, what is our given? In triangle AOB, angle B is less than angle A. This is given. B is less than A, opposite side of B, that is OA. So this implies that OA is less than, and opposite side of A, that is OB. What is our criteria? This side opposite to small angle is also small, that is side opposite to smaller angle are also small or shortest. Here side opposite to the shorter angle are also small, or side opposite to smaller angle is also small. This is equation 1. Again, in triangle COD, that is angle C less than angle D, this is given. Then opposite side of C, that is OD, is also less than OC, opposite side of angle D. Now look, D opposite side of this, OC. Our criteria, this is also used from this place. Now from equation 1 and 2, adding this equation 1 plus equation 2. Now equation 1 plus equation 2 we get, that is OA plus OD is less than OB plus OC. And what is OA plus OD? That is AD. This implies that AD is also less than OB plus OC, that is BC. And what is our proof? That is AD is less than BC. Okay? This is proved. Okay? Thank you.